To connect Crypto.com to Trust Wallet, start by opening the Crypto.com app and navigating to the Accounts section. Here, you will find the option to connect to other wallets. Select this option and then choose Trust Wallet from the list of available wallets. Next, open the Trust Wallet app and go to the Settings section. Here you will find the option to add a new wallet. Select this option and then choose the Import Wallet option. You will be asked to enter the seed phrase or private key of your Crypto.com wallet. Do this carefully as this information is sensitive. Once you have entered the seed phrase or private key, Trust Wallet will sync your Crypto.com wallet and display your account balance. You can now use Trust Wallet to manage your Crypto.com assets and access various decentralized finance services. It is essential to note that when connecting your Crypto.com wallet to Trust Wallet, you are essentially giving Trust Wallet access to your Crypto.com account. So make sure you trust the platform and understand the risks involved. To ensure the security of your assets, always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on both your Crypto.com and Trust Wallet accounts. Additionally, never share your seed phrase or private key with anyone, as this information can be used to access your wallet and steal your assets. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Crypto.com wallet to Trust Wallet and start exploring the world of decentralized finance. Remember to always prioritize security and only use reputable platforms to manage your cryptocurrency assets.